Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. Today is going to be a chill cook with me video. I'm actually outside right now chilling. Kai's asleep right now taking a nap, so I did not want to wake him. So if you hear a lot of noise, I'm sorry. It's super windy, like it's gonna rain. Today's video is going to be a cook with me vlog. It's going to be kind of like Taco Bell night here at the house. I buy these taco shells that are like Dorito flavored, cheese flavored on the outside. And we love to have them with ground turkey, onion powder, bell peppers, onions, you know, all that good stuff. You can add like a can of Rotel too, just you know, spice it up a little bit more. And then of course all of your favorite toppings, lettuce, tomato, sour cream, green onions. And then I have this taco sauce I just bought. I'm really excited to use it. Let me show you this hot sauce, which is the Ortega taco sauce. I've never had this one before, but I've heard a few people talk about it, that it tastes really good. Kind of like Taco Bell salsas, but a little bit better. So we're gonna have this, and for me, I'm actually gonna make a taco salad with the ground turkey, and for the baby I might make him a little quesadilla. So basically just cook dinner with me, you guys. And I hope you guys have a good week. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get on to the cooking. Alright, so I'm gonna put lettuce in here and like taco toppings in here. So I'm gonna put lettuce. I got this cheddar of tacos, an avocado. Call this night our Taco Bell night. Honestly, if you hear pots and pans, it's playing with some pot and pans that I have, so excuse that. But we are making Taco Bell night here at the house. I love buying these old El Paso bold nacho cheese taco shells. They're super good. My husband really likes them. I just put them in the air fryer, let them get a nice and warm and toasty. They start to see what you want to do. You can also add like a can of Rotel. That would be like super bomb, but I don't have any. But that would be really good to add if you wanted to. Then I also have some other toppings that I'm going to show you real quick. These are our toppings. We have some lettuce, the taco shells, some black beans, tomato, all this good stuff. And then this new salsa that we are going to try out. I'm going to be doing a taco salad, a nice big bowl, and it's going to be bomb. Today we're just going to kind of keep it healthy. Probably like the only fat I'm going to be using is going to be from the sour cream. So yeah, let's go ahead and stay tuned for a healthy taco salad. So first thing first, I have in some lettuce and spinach in here. So I'm going to add in some of the cooked ground turkey. I'm going to add in some of these beans. We're gonna add in some some cheese. Some sour cream. Oh my god, and then some of these green onions. Then I'm gonna be eating it with this tostada. I had to try out the mini pizza bagels from F.A.Q that she made the other day in one of her videos. It looks so good. I added spinach and a few veggies to some of mine. I got mini pepperonis, mini bagels, and marinara sauce and cheese. These came out really good. My husband and baby really liked them. Definitely recommend you guys try them out. I made mine in the air fryer. They cooked super fast, and I packed them with veggies and a side of ranch. Super good, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.